This is Albert. We are from Guangdong Rifu Machinery Intelligence Equipment Corporation Limited. Today, we are gonna introduce our new design, double-size labeling machine to you. First of all, we're gonna introduce the machine structure. This is the touch screen. It's also called the HMI human machine interface. It was used to display the machine parameter and the different setting. And you can easily adjust the different setting inside the touch screen. And this is the emergency stop. If anything goes wrong with the machine, you push this. You push this, the machine will stop. And this is indicator, light indicator. It shows machine work or not. And this is control boxes. Inside some of the machine parts. For example, this one, the PLC, and this is electricity switch, and this is drive motor. And this is label part. You could put a row label. Setting label here, and the machine will put the label out and stick one by one. Basically, you put the bottle on the conveyor and the machine will put the label on the bottle automatically. So this is the automatic labeling machine. And then for this type of machine, we'll use the international famous brand. For example, this is the touch screen. It used the Germany Siemens touch screen. It also Siemens PLC and the frequency converter from Siemens. Also, this motor is from Japan Panasonic, which is very famous from all over the world. It also label sensor. It also label sensor from German as well. Also, we also got a bottle sensor to detect the bottle. This one is also from Japan, and this cylinder from Taiwan, very famous brand, AirTag. So for this machine, main parts are very good quality and from very famous brand. Also, you can see the machine. Whole machine is mainly made of stainless steel. This one are stainless steels. So this machine is very craftsmanship. The quality is very good, and we also use very strong parts to hold the labeling machine. The machine is used for stick label, which also called self-adhesive label. It's the roll label. Also for this machine, one machine suitable for different bottle with a flat surface. Big one, small one with medium size, even big size. And adjust is very easy. The label parts, the height, also adjustable. So for this machine, you only need to put the label and the bottle and adjust. It will work in a few minutes. This machine is used 220 volts and single phase. For this machine, also need to electricity air volts. If you have any interest in our double-size labeling machine, feel free to contact us. Bye bye.